Hi everybody, welcome back to our channel. In this video, I'm going to show you the procedure to fix Cash App deposit delay. To fix the Cash App deposit delay, first you have to verify if the transaction is pending in your active tab. Open the Cash App onto your device. Then you just want to make sure to view the official status page or down Detector to see if there is a widespread outage or server outage as well. Next, you also want to make sure to update the app. So open up your app store and type in Cash App on the search bar and update the app to the latest as well. Now that you've updated the app, if the issue still persists on, what you want to do is you will also verify identity. New regulation requirement like Guinness Act may pause high value of or the first time depositor for identity verification. You could complete your profile with your legal name, social security and photo ID to clearly hold it. You would confirm that your linked debit card is not active or is active and not expired as well. So these are some of the ways you could fix Cash App deposit delay. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share and subscribe. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.